Hello, I'm Michael Glass from the FXcast Market Analysis team. This is our FXcast Market Analysis trading plan. In each of our videos, we try to identify high probability trading setups. We'll evaluate the gold chart to see if there's any leading sentiment. We will create a low volatility watch list, an inside bar watch list, and we'll review the economic calendar to see if there are any releases that could affect our open and new trades. As always, please send your comments and feedback to analysis@fxcast.com. As always, we are starting off with the gold daily chart. Again, we can see that nice bounce off the 200 moving average. Sort of get a, we told you the aggressive move was to get above the hammer that we put in on Friday. So we said the aggressive move was if we get above 1640. We did get a nice little move there, a little 40-point move. But in essence, our 1660 resistance price level is still standing in. As we come over to our 1 hour time frame, we can see the volume that is accumulating in today, and in our new session, we did get a move up. We did get above that 1640, but we went up and then we kind of paused and we're going sideways. Certainly doesn't mean that's the end, but as we do again look at our daily time frame, we can see that we do have this 1660 resistance price level that we need to watch. Next, let's switch to the euro dollar. Here we're getting that sideways action on the daily. We're testing that support of 1.34, and we keep closing above and above and above it. As we move in this sideways action, I would kind of sit on hands a little bit. We did have some nice volume in here in today's action, but we can see on the 1 hour time frame that we are in a neutral zone, even though we're below our long-term moving average, but we're in the neutral zone. And we can see ever so slightly the euro is in control, but the dollar is making a move up. We can see the euro is averaging down, but a nice little move up. The dollar for the most part is sideways, going up and down, but a nice little move up here at the close. And our sellers are in control as we look at our indicator. But again, we're in neutral, and we're still on the daily kind of going sideways after testing the 1.34 price level. Next up is the pound dollar. Here in the daily, we see this range that we're in, and we basically went down, tested the bottom, 1.53, came back up, tested 1.57, and now we're putting in the inside bar, so it's going to be interesting to see what happens here. One thing to watch as we come over to the 1 hour time frame is this uptrend line that we could draw in. So we'll see if this pullback that's going on right now does come back. That might be a buying opportunity. However, we are in a neutral zone, and it does look like we're making a pullback towards our short-term moving average. Here we can see that the dollar has taken control ever so slightly, which is bringing our price action back down. Here, whereas the euro, we saw it averaging down with a nice move up. Here, we averaged up, and now we're pulling back to our moving average. We can still see with the dollar that we're getting that sideways jigsaw action, but we pulled back. And ever so slightly, the sellers are in control. So if the dollar remains in control, we will see a pullback to our uptrend line, and we'll have to see what happens from there. Finally, we have the dollar franc. And on the daily here, we are testing that resistance or support now at 0.894. We're testing that. We'll see if we can hold up. We drew in on our 1 hour time frame a little horizontal line here at 0.899, and we did break it. So as we come back up, what was one support probably will become resistance. So it'll be interesting to see if we fall off of that. However, we are in a neutral zone, and the franc is in control. Franc is in control means a pullback, but the dollar's trying to make a move here. We can see that franc, although it was averaging lower, is now moving up. Again, our same sideways choppy action with the dollar, who made a nice move up with a pullback. Here, the buyers are still in control, so that might see us keep the daily support of 0.894. But again, we have to watch the 1 hour horizontal line that we have at 0.899. As we come to our watch list for today, first we have our low volatility watch list, which is our 1 hour time frame using Bollinger Bands. This one we're going to continue to watch the Aussie dollar. Now the Aussie dollar didn't make a move up, but now it is consolidating. The bands are in the beginning process of pinching. They are converging, so it's something to watch. And we do not have any candidates for our inside our watch list. Let's go to the economic calendar. As we look at our economic calendar, we have GDP for France. And then Bernanke speaking towards the end of the day, and certainly if he says something out of the normal paper release, something out of his release statements, that could certainly move the market. So those are the two things I'll be watching. We would like to thank you for watching our FXcast market analysis. As we continue to improve and make adjustments so that you're getting value from our videos, we want you to take the time to give us feedback, give us comments, send us questions about what you would like to see in our videos, and you can send those comments and feedbacks to analysis@fxcast.com, or you can post to our daily forum. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you next time.